We're heading further down our Christmas repertoire building journey today with Jingle Bells. Classic, bouncy, jolly little tune. The first part of the lesson today will be just the melody, which will be perfect for beginners to have a go playing single strings. And towards the end, I'll be going through the chord strumming pattern. We begin with the chorus. The first section there is all on the open E string. The second section plays open E, third finger to third fret E, first finger to first fret B, third finger to third fret B, back to open E. Section 3, we start on the first fret E string, then take the finger off to the open E, third finger, third fret B, open E, back to third fret B, and then jump down to third fret E. We now repeat the beginning of the chorus. Section 3 is almost the same as it was previously, but ends differently. So we go to the first fret of the E string, open E string, third fret E string, first fret E string, third fret B string, first fret B string, a slow play through of the chorus. On to the verse. The first section. Open G, open E, third fret B, first fret B, back to open G. Second section. So we're back on open G again with a slightly different rhythm. Then we go to open E again, third fret B, first fret B. This time we end on the second fret G, third section. Second fret G string, first fret E string, open E string, third fret B string, open B string, fourth section, third fret E, first fret E, third fret B, open E. Then we've got the second half of the verse, which is very similar to what we've just done. The first part's the same as the beginning of the verse. So we got the open G again, the open E, third fret B, first fret B, open G. Second section, which is open G, open E, third fret B, first fret B, and second fret G. The third section, second fret G, first fret E, open E, third fret B, third fret E, and then the ending of the verse, third fret E, then we slide up to the fifth fret, back to the third fret, first fret E, third fret B, first fret B, third fret E. I'll play the verse through slowly. Two, three, four. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. We're in the key of C. We'll be using the chords C, F, G and D. C, F, D and G. The chorus, the strumming pattern I'm using is 1, 2, 3, 4 and down, 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 up. On the C we play 4 times, 4 down strums. I'm going to sing along so you know where we are. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. We then change to F. Oh, what fun! And that's 1 times 4 down strums. Then we're back to C. It is to ride on a... And that's 1 times 4 down strums. To D, 1 horse open, 1 times 4 down strums, sleigh, hey, and 1 times 4 down strums on the G. We then do the C again, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. F, C is to ride on a. This time we go straight to the G. One horse open sleigh. Back to C. We're now at the verse. We'll be using similar chords. We're not using the D, so we're just using C, F and G. I'm going to play this through nice and slowly so you can follow along and see what I'm doing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. And there we have it, our lovely Jingle Bells for a bit of festive jollity. The song structure usually would be chorus, verse, and so on. I've seen this song done with different numbers of verses, so pick the one that you prefer to do. You may only want to sing the chorus for a bit of fun. Just have some fun. In the Christmas spirit, join me for a lesson on Silent Night. It's the same format as this one, so we do the melody at the beginning and then the chords at the end. It's ideal for beginners, and if you want a bit of Christmas fun. I'll see you next time.